There's a cricket game going on right back there. Pretty cool. All right, I'm out here this evening because, as you know, sometimes people send me stuff to review on my channel, and I get all sorts of things, and I never know how I'm supposed to review this or when. So I have 4 items from the store, Hobbyinrc, and they're all for the Mavic Air, and I'm going to show them to you right now. Now, one of these products I think is really cool, and one of these products I have to show you when it's dark out, so that's why I'm here in the evening. So here we go. All right, the first product to show you is right in here in this case, which is the Mavic Air. But check this out. Look what I have on it. It's got these little red rubber bands. 2 for the top, and you need 2 for the bottom. And all it does is it keeps your propellers nice and tight. You can squeeze them and bend them. They're just rubber bands here. Let me just take this off. I'll show you. This is probably one of the coolest things for the Mavic Air. How many times, let's see, just see the top props. These props get caught on everything. I'm taking it in and out of cases and I'm always catching on stuff. So if you put these little bands on, they just sit on the props and they hold everything in place nicely and you're all set. So I think that's a pretty good product. I actually like this product and I'm going to use this product from now on. So there's the bottom, there's the top. I don't know if they come in other colors than red. There's the box they came in, this tiny little package like this. So I'll put the link below and you can check them out yourself. All right, this next product is pretty cool, and here's what's really cool about it is the spelling. It says landing gear, but it says landing gear. So I think whoever they have on staff to do the spelling for these boxes probably has to go back to English school for a bit. But other than that, the product inside is much better than the writing. Let me show you what's inside. Inside you get this little bag of goodies, and in this bag of goodies there's 4 of them. These flexible things, and you're going, what the heck is that? Well, this is for the Mavic Air. These are actually rubber shock absorber landing legs. I'm serious. Watch, I'm gonna put them on the Mavic Air. You'll see how it works. So basically what you do is you take your Mavic Air and you would put it on the ground and you would just plop these on the back. They're just rubber, so they hook on really tight. There's 2 for the back and there's 2 for the front. So there you go. And then what you're left with is these legs, these little rubber legs that are like shock absorbers that bounce around. Here's grass and here comes this rubber leg Mavic Air coming down for a landing. You see how it sits above the grass? I'll put the link below. I've got Canada geese up there. Trying to do a video review here, geese. All right, I'll put the link for this product in the description below. If it's something you think is cool, well then, let me know in the comments. Next product. All right, product number 3 comes in 2 pieces. Here's 1 piece, and here's the second piece. And it is designed, once again, for the Mavic Air. What is it? Well, let me assemble it, and you'll see exactly what it is. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. It is a camera holder for your Mavic Air. So you can tilt the Mavic Air any way you want with these buttons here, right where I'm touching here. And it's also a stand. So let me show you the stand. You just flip out the bottom. It's got tripod legs and it becomes a stand, and you can adjust your Mavic Air to point in any direction you want, this way or this way. You take your phone up top so you can see what you're filming, and you have your little display there. That is basically it, and your props can sit flat. I just got them bent all over the place. So I'm walking around filming, it would look like this. Now I don't have it turned on or anything, I'm just showing you what it would look like. Of course, with the gimbal on the front, it would stay pretty well stable as you're moving around. If you can't afford a expensive gimbal for a camera and you're doing filming, well, you can turn your Mavic Air into a nice little handheld camera. Now myself personally, if I was filming with this, I would probably take the phone off and I would probably just grab this, put these little legs back in, and do some pretty cool filming by just holding it like this and walking around. It gets a pretty neat shot, especially low to the ground and going in between and under things. Anyways, that's product number 3, and I will put the link to it in the description below. You can check it out, check out what the price is, and see if it's something you'd like. Product number 4 is this. It looks just like a landing pad because it is a landing pad, but there's something special to it, and I'm going to have my assistant here, Tammy, pull it out. So there's all these things that fly out. So what do you have in your hand, Tam?
Well, I like the packaging. It's very nice.
All right, you'll notice that on one side, watch, it should fly out into a huge circle when you unfold it. Try not to kill yourself. There you go, just like a magician.
That's super cool.
Now, what you get in it is you should have had those stickers.
Okay.
There's orangey stickers.
Yes.
All right. So it comes with these reflective stickers that you can stick on.
Okay.
And I'm just going to put those down there. You got pegs to peg it into the ground. Now, if I can get you to put it on the ground with the black side up.
Are you tricking me?
Yeah, there should be a black side. There you go. Sorry. All right. Now, here's the cool thing. So there should be hanging off a little, there you got it right there. Oh, did it fall apart?
Oh, just was showing there's batteries in it.
So it takes 2 AA batteries to function, and what it is, it's an actual landing pad. If you flip that over, Tam, you'll see there's a, oh sorry, this one over here. You'll see there's a button on it. Just press that button and press it once. There. Do you see it glowing?
I see it glowing.
Press it again. And it should do something else. Now it's pulsating, and if you press it one more time, now Jack's looking at it. I know, Jack, pretty cool, eh? Oh, it attracts German Shepherds. There you go. So this is what it is. It's a landing pad with a pulsating little LED light that goes around. All right, Tammy, for a person who has no interest in such products, what do you think?
So it has 2 batteries and it pulsates.
That's right. All right, this is totally PG here. What do you think, Jack? Pretty cool.
I think he likes it.
That's right. So if you're flying your drone at night, this would be an awesome little thing out to have your drone locate where the landing pad is, because you'll see it from the air. It's not dark enough right now for me to try it out, but I'm sure it works. I'm going to put the description to this below, and you can check it out. All right, so that ends the review of those 4 products from Hobbyinrc. Hope you enjoyed the review. If anybody else wants to send me anything to review, by all means do so. I get products once a week, so you'll always see videos of me reviewing stuff. Hope you enjoyed this one. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.